Hello, Thomas from Scopious here. Today we're going to talk about adding and removing dashboards and editing and creating them. So if you go to dashboards on the left hand side of your screen here, you'll see we've got 4 dashboards for the 4 devices we have. These are all automatically created as you add a device. So even if you want to create your own custom dashboard, a dashboard will automatically be created. You can either choose to edit this to create your dashboard, or leave it as that, or just remove it. To remove a dashboard, you just click the delete button here and yes, delete it. Once a dashboard is gone, it is gone. If we look into air quality monitoring here, you'll see we've got battery, temperature, humidity, activity and light level. This is showing the results over 12 hours, which you can change up here to either 30 days or to the past 1 hour or down to 1 minute or custom time ranges. So there's been no results in the last minute, in the last 15 minutes, through to 12 hours. Now if we go to the current transformer CT101, you'll see we've got current. We can move that cell around, change the size, the position. If we want, we can add a cell. We can select a graph. Give it a name. Select the device that you would like to pull the data from. In our case, the CT101. The field, so we want the total current, and the function. So this, you either have last, which is the last result. You've got mean, medium, max, min, count, and unique, and distinct, and sum, which each do individual things. You can give labels to the axes, and suffixes and prefixes, and even show a legend if you would like. You can also edit all these settings later on. So we've got our total current here. We'll show it up alongside a nice line. And you can see over the last 12 hours, the total current used by the sensor has increased. And if we show it over 30 days, you can start to see the trend. So if we go back to the AM103, this is the pre-populated dashboard with different graphs and single stats. We can add some more cells. So if we wanted to add a single graph that showed all the values, we just select the AM103 and we select CO2, humidity and temperature. This could be good if you're trying to show a comparison between the two. So as the temperature rises, the CO2 changes. In this case, we don't have much data here. So if we drop down to 5 minutes, you can see our temperature and humidity are relatively even, with obviously our CO2 being much higher. We can also enable a show filter, which lets us just untick the CO2, and doing this, which lets us just show temperature at the bottom. You wouldn't often do this as a combined graph with CO2 as well, but this is just for example. If we remove the CO2 function, it will scale a lot better to what we're trying to show. Now we can remove that. There is also this feature here called add notes, which could be useful if you're making particular notes about a sensor, the sensor location, something to do with this dashboard. You can just make a note. And it will just save it and add it as a cell to the dashboard, which you could keep around. And it could be a log of the last time you changed the battery. You can also change the number of rows of dashboards per page, search for dashboards, and change pages down here on the left-hand side of your screen. Thanks for watching this video. If you have got any more questions or want to do more complex dashboards or cells, please get in touch with our team and we'll be happy to help you out. See you in the next one.